listening, ignore the world, let the music cave in.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my long-awaited cornrow takedown video. I'm going to be taking out my braids today. I had them in from since July 20th to November 20th, the day after my birthday. So it's been 4 months. And I'm going to just take them down so you guys can see what I'm working with. And yeah, I'm going to show you guys my growth so far. I think I had a good amount of growth in the last 4 months. So yeah, we're just going to continue to grow our hair and glow up. So yes, I'm gonna take these out. I'm not taking it off right now because I don't want y'all to see my forehead. But yes, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Okay, so now these are my results from having my braids in for 4 months. I originally wanted to do 5 months, but my braids were so high, like they were so grown out that my wigs could not fit on my head and they were looking like helmets. So I was like, I'm gonna just take them out and redo them. So yes, these are my before braids. This is before I grew out, exactly the day that I put them in, so you can see how much it has grown out in the past 4 months. So yep, I washed my hair once a month for 4 months, and I made sure I use my clarifying shampoo sometimes, and then I use my sulfate-free shampoo. So yes, these are my results. This is how it's looking. I always wear my wig cap. Always wear your wig cap or sleep on your satin pillowcases to avoid breakage. But yes, I'm cutting the thread that I used to sew up the length of my hair. But yeah, there's not much to say when it comes to cornrow takedowns. All I can really talk about is make sure you clarify your scalp with some shampoo, and make sure you use a comb to scratch off all the buildup. These braids actually took forever to take down because I had to first take out the thread, then unbraid them from each other, and then unbraid them from my scalp. So it was, and I had 20 braids. I'd never done this many braids before. There was 10 on each side. The most braids I ever probably did was like 12 straight back. But yep, taking them out finally, and then I'm gonna come back. Okay guys, so I got tired of standing up and I'm just unloosing the braids that were braided together like this. And then I'm gonna start the cornrow takedown process. Okay, so I'm finally almost done. I love doing cornrow takedowns because it's like a surprise every couple of months of seeing how much your hair has grown and all the progress you've made. So, yep. Plus, it's the best way to grow out your hair with avoiding manipulation, too much brushing and combing, too much this and that, with avoiding heat, and just all the things that come with damaging your hair and causing breakage, and then you need 15 trims in a year because you're doing too much. So this is, in my opinion, the best way to grow out your hair. Just get it to the goal that you want, and then you could play with it, style it as many times and however you want. And yeah. Okay, so this is how my hair is looking. This is the length and the volume. I thought my hair was thick before I cut it, and it was hard to manage then. But now it's way thicker and even more harder to manage. So I don't even know what I'm gonna do once it keeps growing out. But yep, I had a lot of buildup in the back of my braids, but other than that, there was really no areas with a whole bunch of buildup. So only the back had buildup like that. But I'm gonna stop talking and let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Comment down below how long you keep your braids in and any other video ideas you guys would like to see from me. And just interact with me in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. And these are a few clips from my wash day routine.
Big boss.